Hi cutie pies, I'm your friend Soumya, and in this video we will read along the story of Rosy and Showsy, the two beautiful butterflies, and learn to make paperback butterflies. So let's get started. Once upon a time, there were two beautiful, colorful butterflies who lived in a daisy field. They were great friends and loved spending time tasting the nectar off of flowers. One day, their friends, Bob the bunny and Chuck the chicken, came to meet them. Bob and Chuck warned the two butterflies, Rosy and Showsy, about a little girl named Katy who loved to catch butterflies. Be careful, Rosy and Showsy. That little girl is very naughty. She might harm you. But Rosy and Showsy ignored the warnings and continued loitering carelessly in the daisy fields. One fine evening, Katy appeared with her fly-catching net to catch butterflies in the daisy field. Luckily, Showsy was smart. She talked her out of it. Please, little girl, don't catch us, said Showsy. But I love butterflies. I like to catch them and keep them in my house, said Katy. But if you like butterflies so much, then why don't you make them with crayons in your drawing pad? Katy liked the idea. From that day onwards, she stopped catching butterflies and plucking flowers. Whenever she missed butterflies and flowers, she drew them in her drawing book. Soon Rosy, Showsy and Katy became friends. And Katy also learned to respect the personal space of her butterfly friends. Now let's make these cute paperback butterflies. Here I have taken two construction papers. One is pink and one is charcoal grey, and I am drawing butterfly shapes on the two papers. You can take any paper you have. You can take a chart paper or any other paper. These two papers will be the base of the butterflies, and I will be pasting two ice cream sticks. Actually, it's one ice cream stick which I have cut into two, and here I'm cutting the paper bag and making butterfly wings out of the paper bag or a gift bag. You can take a gift wrapping paper too if you like. You can take any pattern which you like, anything that you have at your home, so you don't have to go and buy it. The idea here is to use whatever resources we have at our home, and instead of going out and buying stuff for your DIY, that is why I'm using a gift bag, or you can use wrapping paper because those things are easily available at homes. Now I'm just going to cut the gift bag in shape of butterfly wings, and I'm going to stick it under the popsicle stick because it already has glue on it, so I don't need to put glue again. Now what I'm doing is that I'm cutting the lower wings to bring them closer to the upper wings, so that I don't want the lower wings to show up a lot. I just want them to pop out a little bit. Now I'm dabbing the ice cream stick with glue and I'm spreading glitter on it. This is one option because glitter is usually available at homes. But if you don't have glitter at home, you can use buttons. But you can just stick buttons over the popsicle stick, or you can put pom-poms or whatever else you think you have. You can just put it. I'm just making eyes on the butterfly now. And in the same way, I'm going to make the pink butterfly. That is Rosy. I'm just going to cut the wings in the shapes of butterfly, and I'm going to just stick it under the popsicle stick, and I'll apply glitter on top. Here I'm cutting the wings just to fit them on top of the butterfly, and I'll be cutting the lower wings as well so that they just pop a little bit like I did for the previous butterfly. And now I'm just going to dab it with glue and put glitter on top. And like I mentioned earlier, you can put anything on top of the popsicle stick. You can put buttons on it if you like, or pom-poms, whatever you like, you can paste it on the popsicle stick. The glitter that I'm using here is chunky glitter, and our butterflies are ready. See how easy it was to make these cute butterflies with whatever stuff we had at our homes. We didn't go out, we didn't buy anything, we just made them with whatever we had. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.